Hey guys, it's your girl Joanna here again with another tutorial. Just wanted to clarify because I've been getting a lot of requests asking me if I'm a makeup artist, if I do makeup, but I'm just a normal person that likes doing makeup. I'm gonna be doing today a no makeup tutorial, if that makes sense. So it's gonna be, you're gonna have makeup on, but it's not actually so visible and noticeable, so you look like you have a fresh beat face going on, like just fresh face, clean skin, you drink water, your melanin is popping, you don't have any blemishes. That's the look that you're going for. So yeah, right now I have no makeup on my face. As you can see, I have some dark spots. I don't know if this camera is blurring it out, but I do have some black spots around here and here. I got this recently. I used this Hydro Boost multivitamin booster by Neutrogena, and I feel like it's the dupe to this Clinique hydrating supercharged, and as you can see, I use it, but this is just cheaper, and honestly it does the same thing and maybe even better. It has a nice scent to it. It's just giving you a boost of hydration, you know, when you just wake up, you wash your face, and this just plumps up your face. You feel like you can literally feel the hydration in your face, and I definitely recommend this. It's super inexpensive, and everything that I'm showing you today, this whole look is inexpensive. Thumbs up for me. First off, we're gonna be working with the Black Radiance SPF BB cream, and you know, it's really hard for us dark-skinned girls to find BB creams that matches our complexion. And honestly, this is the only brand, drugstore brand, that I found that it's oil-free. And I've used this in the past, and honestly, guys, it is everything. Do not sleep on anything cheap. And it also helps prevent you from the sun rays. It's an amazing product. So what it does, it's really lightweight. I feel like it's water-based because it spreads really easily, and it's just not thick. It just helps tint your face a little bit. It's not going to completely, like, you know, give you full coverage. So this is an amazing product. But before we use this, I'm just gonna go in with this drugstore brand called Ruby Kisses. It's a pure mineral concealer, and I'm just gonna go in and just color correct my blemishes. I'm just gonna go in here. I have a chicken pox right there. I have a chicken pox right here, and these are just some dark spots that I want to, you know what, let's pin this out the way. You definitely want to color correct a little bit, since this is not the BB cream is not full coverage, so you just use a little bit of color corrector just to clean it up, because if you don't, you're still gonna see those dark blemishes under the BB cream. I'm just gonna use my finger to kind of, you know, get that into my skin. So I just went ahead and turned off that blurring feature, because I feel like sometimes it blurs everything that I'm doing away, and you can't really see. Everything just meshes together. So I turned that off. So I'm just still going in with my finger and blending that all in to my skin. Now I'm gonna take my Black Radiance BB cream in the shade Brown Sugar. So I'm just gonna take a decent amount, because it's a tint, it's not very thick. Took a decent amount, so I'm using it like it's lotion. And I'm just gonna go into different areas of my face and just dab it. And it might look very shiny, it's just a little wet right now. And it feels like, it literally feels like water, like being splashed on your face, seriously. I will be using this all summer. Like, I'm not doing heavy makeup, because with sweat and all that, it's just like really yucky. This is amazingly natural. I'm gonna go in with the Black Radiance Concealer Stick in the shade 8001. Just lightly using that over my dark circles. You're going for a very natural look. And then this is in the shade 8002. And I'm just gonna apply that so that it just blends in into the BB cream seamlessly. And I'm gonna take a small dry beauty blender sponge, and I'm just gonna work that into my skin. I decided not to wet it because I feel like it will take away the product. These are not the most highly pigmented product. I'm just gonna go again because these dark circles are that real, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. Then I'm gonna just take this over. It's the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW 0.84, and I'm just gonna go over what I just did with that lightly. With not that much product. And I'm gonna just take my finger and dab that in. Now I'm just gonna go in with my matte finishing powder by NYX in the shade medium dark. It's a translucent powder and it's really inexpensive too. And I'm gonna just lightly dip that in just to bring some color into my eye, under my eye, to make it look like I'm awake. Not too much, because remember, you're not supposed to be able to tell that you have a bunch of makeup on. If anything, they just think you have this nice glowing skin. Okay, how does that look so far? Very natural. I'm going in with my Maybelline Total Temptation eyebrow brush in the shade Deep Brown. And I really like this. And I'm just going to brush my brows upward just to give it that more full effect. I'm not going to totally go in and, you know, make my brows look extra fleeky. I'm just going to lightly add some strokes in there to fill it in just a little bit. I'm going to go back in with my NYX HD concealer, and I'm going to conceal the bottom portion of my brows just so it has a more clean look, because sis needs to do her eyebrows like yesterday. I'm just gonna go in with my concealer brush and blend that in. Now I'm going in with my Fit Me powder, and literally I'm taking this little sponge applicator that came with, I think, one of my makeup stuff. I'm gonna lightly dab that into this setting powder, and I'm gonna just tap that into my face. It's not gonna give me like this whole full coverage look, but it's getting rid of any excess oil. Basically just kind of mattifying it, but not mattifying it, if that makes sense. Now, again with Black Radiance, I'm going in with the pressed powder Ebony to just lightly contour my face. Kind of think that just blended in, but whatever. Now in the shade Toasted Almond in Black Radiance, I'm going to use that as my blush. This blush is perfection. In Black Radiance as well, I'm going to be going in with the shade Ginger Snap as a highlighter. It's a bronzer, but I'm going to use that to highlight because I really, really, really like this color. Look at that. So you can tell I still look very, very natural. Just got this mascara from L'Oreal, and it has a primer and the mascara. The last time I used a primer and then a mascara was with Lancome, and that mascara is everything. Girl, you don't need to add no fake lashes, nothing. So let's see if this lives up to Lancome. Let's get in there. My lashes are lengthening out. Don't really want volume. I just want them to spread apart and have some length to them. Going in my bottom lash. Now I'm going in with step 2. Definitely does not compare to Lancome. My eyelashes are definitely sticking together, and that is not what I was looking for. I don't know if I like this mascara. Who told me to get this? But anyway, then I'm just gonna take any type of chapstick, lip balm or something, because my lips stay dry. You can't have big ashy lips. Also from the brand Black Radiance, I'm using this SPF lip gloss in the shade Urban Nude. Let's try it out. Just put our hair down. So how do you guys like this very natural, no makeup with makeup look? It looks like my skin. Wow. Shorty has good skin. Good skin, mommy. No blemishes. Hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you want more, maybe with different products, let me know. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely looks like my skin. Like, you would just think I have really, really good skin.